Good afternoon, everybody. It's been a super cold and rainy week. I haven't really been able to get hardly anything done that I've wanted to because it's been so rainy and cold, so that's been a bummer. But we do have some plants that need to get planted, and I can't let the rain slow me down because I gotta clean the barn, and there's still a few things that I need to do, so let's get to it. Oh yeah, I also wanted to show you guys, I'm not exactly sure, what happened because I wasn't out here, but Faye has a little bit of a wounded eye. It looks like maybe she got poked or head butted or something like that. So we have her in a stall. I'll show you guys her. But we have her in a stall so that we can medicate her eye and take care of her. And she is bred. She's due to give birth in July. So let me show you guys her. Can we see you? Can we see you? Ooh, Faye's in here with Bambi. Look at her poor eye. Yeah, it's pretty inflamed right now, but we've been treating it. But I put her in here with Bambi so she wasn't lonely. And so far she's doing okay, but just sucks when they get injured. This is the spray that we've been using to clean out Faye's eye. I clean it out with this and then I put a little terramycin on it and it's been working great. But I've only started that today. I guess I can't say it's been working great, but it seems to already be getting better doing that. So I'm gonna continue that. I think that's pretty much all the tidying I'm gonna do in here. It's gonna get dirty.
It does?
Oh, it does?
It would have to be perfectly straight. Actually, with these mirrors, probably not. Were these an add-on?
Come here, Lou. Come on. What's up, buddy? Okay. I got chocolate mint. I'm excited about that. And I got pineapple mint. So, and yes, they're both going in the pot because I know that they spread. All right, you ready?
Where's the shovel when you need one?
Well, we've got our mint planted in our pot. We've ripped out the tags about 10 million times. But this one is the chocolate mint, and this one is the pineapple mint. I think I'll remember. They're pretty different. Beautiful evening. Let's go put it in the garden. This is gonna be our herb garden. So we're gonna be planting just a ton of different medicinal herbs, and Harriet has a bunch of herbs that she wants to plant in here. So we'll just put it there for now. Kids were playing.
Look at all these baby goats. Look at all these baby goats. Crisscross applesauce.
I haven't really, I have mud on my forehead, cute. I haven't really had a chance to film a video in quite some while. I think it's been like a month. It was my 25th birthday on the 15th. It was my son's first birthday, May 14th. I had some friends having birthdays, their kids having birthdays. It was just a super full month. So I just didn't film a lot because I didn't really do a ton of farm stuff because I was at birthday parties mostly and doing other stuff. So getting back at it. Garden's in full swing. Got to get the baby goats tattooed. They're getting ready to go to their new home soon. So bittersweet. I always, love that, but also hate it because I love them. So yeah, I mean, just taking care of the place, really, manicuring everything. So what do you guys think? My mom painted the gates, this one here and the back one blue. Adds a nice little pop of color in the garden, I think. This is what the back gate looks like. I think it's super cute. It kind of looks a little rustic, but what do you guys think? Should we leave it as is, or should we paint some flowers or sunflowers on it? I don't know, I'm torn. We also painted this cute little birdhouse over here. That was my great-great-grandma's that we got from my great aunt. Isn't it so cute? It's crazy what a fresh coat of paint can do, It just needs a new little tray, like wooden tray for the birdseed to go inside, but I think it's adorable. Garden's doing great. Got a lot of stuff planted. I'm not really the garden guru, but I believe almost all of the beds are full, besides a couple. Okay, and also look how cute this little seating area is that my mom has been working on. We're still getting some stuff situated, but she got this arch today, and I just love it. I think it's so cute. Ran out of gas.